friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you joined me today. This is a very quick and very rough video for you guys. One of the cocktails that I have coming up for you all is going to require some basil simple syrup. Or fresh basil. So if you have basil in your garden right now, go grab it and make yourself some simple syrup so you can have this cocktail throughout the season and throughout the winter after our basil is gone. So what I've done in the saucepan here is I have just mixed a cup and a half of water with about 2 cups of sugar and a ton of basil leaves because my basil, to be quite honest, is getting a little limp. So I'm just going to bring this to a boil. And then after it cools, I will strain it and I will put it into a jar. Now, if I don't believe I'm going to use this within, a couple weeks in the refrigerator, then I will put it into ice cube trays and I will freeze it. And then when I'm making my drinks over the winter months, I still have my fresh basil simple syrup. So quick and easy recipe. You need about 1.5 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, and a bunch of basil leaves. And you're just going to bring this to a boil and then let it simmer for a couple minutes. Make sure the liquid is completely clear before you turn it off. And then go ahead and let that kind of steep. It's kind of like making a tea. And let that cool down to room temperature before you strain it, and that way you'll have a really nice infused basil simple syrup for a cocktail that's coming up soon.